Welcome to our Learning Communities tab. This is a place you can go to connect and interact with your peers and colleagues. Okay, so it's pretty simple to do to create these learning communities. You hit create new, and we'll call it the Common Core community. Again, this is a place you can go to if you want to learn more about, if you want to start a community about the Common Core and you want your peers on the system to join these communities and you can talk and interact. Okay, so please share ideas on the Common Core. You can make the users to be just parents, just students, or just teachers, or you can make it for all three or 2 to 3. So we'll just do it for teachers. You click on teachers. You can make the community type private or public. If it's a private community, that means only the users within your school can see that community. If it's a public community, that means that anybody on the system can see that particular community. Okay, so any user from any school can see that community. You can attach an image to it if you want to choose a file and add a different image. Okay, now once we're done, you click submit. Now we've created the Common Core community. Within this community itself, you can now start a discussion, so I can create a different discussion. Okay, Common Core community. Okay, please share your ideas and stories about the Common Core. So again, now I can attach a document to it, for example. This is a document right here about the Common Core. I choose this. Now I can attach a document to it. So now when the users come on and join this community, they can share their stories, their ideas about the Common Core. They can read any kind of file that you put on there. So then I hit post, and now I created this discussion about within the Common Core community. You can also create a different poll. Okay, so if I wanted to create a new poll, okay, implementation time for Common Core. Okay, so we can add options here. So let's add 4 options. We'll say 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. Okay, so now these are different options they can add. How many options can voters select? Only 1. Who is allowed to vote? Community members only, or anyone on EduStruct. Okay, we'll say anyone, and we'll say the vote ends on a particular day. You hit submit. Now I've created a poll. Okay, so you can see that now I've created a different poll about what it is, and I can see it. So now they can see the different polls and they can vote on it. And you can tie an event to it. So if there's an event going on about this particular community, you can also see any kind of event that's going on about this particular community. So you can add events, which would be through here. So again, you know how to create an event. So basically you go and you create an event for that particular community, and it would show up right here. Okay, I'll show you one right now. Okay, so let's go back to the learning communities itself. Now you can see these are all the different learning communities on the system right now. Okay, I can join any of these because these are public communities. If they're my communities, I can see them. Okay, so I've gone through and I've created these. You can see we have the different communities we had here. We see this is my community. Now we'll go up and log into EduStruct School District Community. Okay, so we log into this. Now you can see the different discussions. You can see if there's any polls or events. So I wanted to show you the events. So now this is what the events would look like. So I click on events, and now I can see what the event is, the date, where it's happening. It's all powered by Google Maps. Who's invited, so who I invited to this particular event, and who's coming to this event. Okay, so it's a good way to show everything that's going on with a particular learning community. So if you're having a pep rally of some sort and you're sharing it with your school community, then you can do that and show exactly where it's happening. Okay, so now we're going to go back here, click on learning communities again. So now you can see all communities. You can search. So if I'm looking for Common Core, I can do this. Now you can see it pops up just like that. You can see my school's communities. If you have anyone with your school, the communities that I've joined, you can see the communities that I've owned, you can see, and then again, I showed you how to create a community. So again, learning communities are a place to go to interact and connect with your peers and colleagues and also your students. So it's a good place to really have that interaction and really make education a virtual network where you can share and collaborate on many different issues. This, again, is our Learning Communities tab.